Hello everybody, welcome to SUBCRIBERS. I am AO. In today's video, I will be sketching. It's just something that I'll be doing that's a big part of my plans, so I'm not going to share too much information. But I just wanted to come on here and have a voiceover because my voice came back. Yeah, this past week has been kind of hectic because I lost my voice. I had a cold, and so that's why I didn't have any voiceover videos, but my voice is back finally. So yes, with this video I also wanted to take this time to say thank you to everybody that subscribed to my YouTube channel. I reached 500 subscribers. Woo! Actually, when I started this YouTube channel, I actually thought I would never reach 500 simply because it's not my first YouTube channel and my other YouTube channel hasn't really reached that many subscribers to begin with. So my main focus for this channel was to share my art progress, number one, share my goals, to strive for my goals, and with that encourage other artists to also reach for their goals as well. So that was kind of the purpose behind the YouTube channel, and it's still the purpose behind the YouTube channel. So if you feel like you need some encouragement, or you just want to know how to draw certain things, or have somebody to draw with you, especially when it comes to records, you guys can feel free to subscribe. So yes, but thank you so much for 500 subscribers. Didn't expect it, but I just want to say thank you very much. For all my subscribers, if you feel comfortable, feel free to leave comments and chat with me. I really want to know the people that subscribe to my channel as well. A few things happened this week, especially with the records. If you're going to start with record number one, you will notice that it's sort of sped up, but in my other records, my records are not sped up at all. So there are some people who shared their records with me. The first few records are kind of sped up, but the latest ones are in real time. And so some people send me their drawings on Instagram, DM me, and so I was able to share their work on my social media. So feel free, if you feel like you want me to share your drawings online, you can send me a DM on Instagram and I can put it up on my stories, and I'll put a highlight folder, draw with me. So feel free to do that. And yeah, you can also find me on other social media as well. I tend to chat with a lot of people on Instagram. I don't have a lot of followers to begin with, but I try my best to communicate with the people that I follow on Instagram. So all people that are interested in my art, I tend to communicate with them. The reason for this is because this is my second YouTube channel and my second Instagram page for art. I really wanted to change things. With my first YouTube channel and Instagram page, or social media pages that have to do with art, I really didn't have a community. I did everything on my own. I didn't have any artist acquaintances. So I just did everything on my own. And so this is kind of a learning process for me because I want to communicate with other artists. Like I said in one of my videos, that you have to be, if you're an artist, you have to be a multifaceted person, and that means that you have to have a lot of skills, especially communication skills. And I want to grow my communication skills and get to know other artists and get to know other artists' goals and dreams. I want to know what they want to accomplish and how can I help them in my own capacity to reach that goal as well. So that's kind of why I started my new Instagram page. yeah, I don't have a lot of followers to begin with, but I try to communicate as best as I can. So, but anyways, that is all for today's video. I just wanted to hop on and finally have a voiceover, as well as say thank you very much to everybody that subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to do that. Your support really counts. And I wanted to say thank you to people who who DM me on Instagram and showed me their pose studies as well. Yeah, feel free to comment, like, and share my content if you are interested. And that is all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, that's about it. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.
You've been gone for a minute and I can't seem to unwind. I've been going crazy out here, being brave and facing my fears. Always kept me safe, now you disappear. What would I do without you? Feeling so blue without you. I've been spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to hit my phone. Leave a little time for me, no matter where we might be. I'll keep you company, I'll keep you company. Dreaming in reality, know that you belong with me. Know you always have my sympathy, sympathy. Dreaming in reality.